Hello everyone, once again welcome back to another session. Today is a video we're gonna configure Cisco Meraki MX from Cisco Meraki dashboard. So let's go for configuration. Today we will configure Cisco Meraki MX uplink, and I will show you how you can change port mode LAN port to internet port. We have the Meraki MX now. Using the power cable, plug in the device and turn it on. So MX will beam to boot and the power LED on the front will go on green. So once the MX is booted, the interface LEDs will go green. So now we have the MX powered on. We need to bring the basic configuration to get it connected to the cloud. In this case, we need to configure static IP address, so either using Cat5 or Cat6 cable. On other one, you have to connect to the management port on the front of the MX. So open a browser, go to oir.meraki.net. Now this is a local management interface on the Meraki MX, which can be used to configure basic setting to allow the device to connect to the cloud. Now as we connected through the local management port on the MX, it doesn't matter what we type in the address bar, we will be redirected to management interface. However, we can also get to this via local interface by just putting in the gateway IP address that the MX is running for the clients attached to the subnet and is designed for basic troubleshooting with cloud connectivity problems, and also setting up basic settings to allow a device to connect to the cloud controller. So for example, if you need to configure a static IP address, this is where you will do it. So we can see overview of the connectivity of the device, and there are a number. We go to uplink configuration. By default, username the serial number of this MX, and here I am inputting the MX serial number. Now we can click sign in. We can see port 2, which is you can change to secondary uplink. This port is dual purpose port, and if we want we can change the mode from LAN to internet, but here we are going use one for this particular scenario. So I'm going to set a static IP address under IP assignment. So I'm going to change this to static. Here I'm going to enter the details in here. So let's enter the IP address. Use web proxy, select no. So now finish the local configuration. We can disconnect the management link. We can connect the one interface into the internet for on the front of the MX, and we know device is connected to the cloud controller. So let's go to Meraki dashboard to verify our local configuration. Open the browser and meraki.cisco.com. At the right, click login, and here provide your login details, your email address, input the password. see our Meraki dashboard. To verify our configuration, to go to security and SD1, then appliance status. We can see our security appliance MX is connected to the cloud. That's how you can configure uplink in Cisco Meraki MX. Thank you so much for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.